I've got my copy of X11 open. It's just a blank new plan. If you go over here to, well, you don't need to do that. It's going to draw a wall. This is the current default. It's siding 6. I'm going to open that wall, go to wall types, and I can change that wall type to any of these pre-created wall types. And here's one. There's a concrete stem wall. There's one with block, and here's one with CMU block and 2-inch interior wall. Let's take a look at it. See that? It's got your block and then a 2x4 laid on its side and then sheetrock attached to that. I think these are laid out 16-inch on center. Let's say you're not going to use block. Well, all you have to do is, okay, there's that wall there. See, now you can see the blocks on the outside. Let's take a look at it. And the sheetrock and framings on the inside. You could take this wall and open it without changing the name. Just go over here to the Define tab and change this from CMU block to concrete. Over here to Plan View, Plan Concrete. Now it's solid concrete. Now it says that. We can go over here and we'll copy that and change the name to get rid of the copy. Oh. 8-inch concrete. Yeah, I just created a new wall type. See? There's your product. There's your drywall, framing, and the concrete stem wall. If you wanted to have a footing, and you say that it's a foundation wall, but automatically gives it a footing. You learn these settings in there. Now, of course, this wall type, you probably wouldn't want that hatch in there. So again, you go to wall types, define, click on this, get rid of that to solid. Okay, let's say you wanted 2x4s not on. Let's go over here back to define. There it is, define. See, now this is set to 1.5. You want to make it on edge, then you make it 3.5. This makes the wall thicker, the framing thicker. And voila, you know, whatever you need, you can do. Now you take this and extrude it. Now that it's created. There's your basement. Okay. It's not rocket science, but you do have to learn what Chief Architect's tools and settings can do and what they can't do. And that's part of the learning curve. I hope this helps you. And whether it does or not, have a great day. Okay.